this Airbnb has its own little soccer field. And a pool. Oh my gosh, you guys. I had not seen this at all. I'm so excited. It's actually really hot out right now. And back inside, it's like such a cute little place. It kind of reminds me of my grandma's house, except a lot more modern. Like this part reminds me of my grandma's house in Mexico. But yeah. Here's the Airbnb. Gracias.
Sorteo el piedra, papel y tijera.
Yo también entro.
No, tú no entras.
¿Por qué no?
Porque tú te vas con el señor y allá te quedas. Ah.
Here's one of the rooms. Oh, and a TV.
Bueno, hagamos entonces la lista de lo que tenemos.
We don't really need TV though. Bathroom and smaller room. Where's the light? There you go. Each night here was $24, I believe, so it's pretty good because it's among 5 people. We're suffering from a blackout. So we put up our little lights and then the Airbnb person got us these little lights. Look at this.
Los mosquitos asesinos. Mosquitos.
Scary story time. Nos va a contar una historia de espantos.
¿Por qué?
Ya no hay señal.
Tengo boletica.
Hola. ¿Nosotros dos? ¿Dos? Gracias. I'm entering.
No. Hola. Está haciendo bien. ¿Cómo estás?
¿Qué tal?
5 boletos. 5 boletos, papá. Nosotros así
Sure
como.
you're-
No, eso guárdenlo que no es necesario.
Dale.
Okay, gracias. And then you get your ticket for the train.
Aquí tienen.
Así ve al adulto responsable.
It's time to hop on these trains and head over to the waterfalls. We're just trying to find a really good spot, but honestly, they're all great considering you can see from both sides. We were able to spot a toucan and some other cool birds, which was really excited to keep your eyes peeled out. So when we finally make it to the Garganta del Diablo, we are prepared to walk a lot. Honestly, this goes on for a very long time. So make sure you bring really good shoes. The good thing about this though is it's also wheelchair accessible. So we saw plenty of people that were a bit older or needed some help and they were able to go and enjoy the waterfalls just as much as anybody else, which was really nice. And here we go. Here's Alfredo hugging a tree. I mean, this place just makes you happy all around. I mean, look at it. It's full of nature. I'm getting so wet. This is actually so incredible. I have no words right now. This is the coolest thing I've ever seen. They're huge. Here I was thinking, okay, I'm gonna see some waterfalls, huge waterfalls, but no, I have never seen anything like this. It's actually insane. And I'm getting so wet, but it's okay. Everyone's here wearing ponchos and it's insane. Okay, let me show you guys. The Argentinian side of Iguazu has completely captured my heart. I mean, if you are a nature person, you have to come here at least once in your life because pictures just don't do it justice. I hope you get to come here and actually feel the falls. We are completely soaked. Look at her hair.
This is me freshly showered from the waterfalls. You may also now refer to me as Jungle Woman.